You can now brighten up your social posts with a video. In this tutorial, we'll show you how it all works. To begin, click Channels, Social. From there, start designing your post. Make sure to select the profiles you want to post to, and then in the Add Media section, click the toggle to choose either video or Vimeo. If you have videos hosted on Vimeo, choose that option and follow the prompts to connect your account. Once connected, click Add Video and then select one of your videos hosted on Vimeo. Don't see the one you want? Click Manage Videos. You'll be taken to Vimeo where you can upload the video you want to share. If you have a video on your computer that you want to add, choose Video and then click the plus sign. Choose the video from your files and click Upload. Something to note: videos that you upload from your computer will play directly in the social feed. However, videos hosted on Vimeo will include a link that will take people to Vimeo to watch the video. So just keep that in mind when choosing which video option you want to use. As always, you can choose to post either right now or schedule it for later. And that's how easy it is to include videos in your social posts with Constant Contact.